How to remove followers on TikTok. The very first thing you want to make sure that your application TikTok is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, open it. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this For You page. Once you have been logged into a specific account, head over to Profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. In here, what you want to do is tap on Followers. It will show you all the list of the followers that you have. In order to remove the followers, what you want to do is tap on this three dot beside the username of the person that you want to remove. You will see the option of Remove this follower. Click on it. For the confirmation, once again tap on Remove. And there you go, the person has been removed successfully. Likewise, you can remove any of the followers that you want to remove, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove followers on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.